Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Hey everyone! In this video I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic side mirror cover. This is a straightforward DIY task that can save you time and money. First, let's get prepared. You'll need a few basic tools, including a flathead screwdriver and a plastic trim removal tool to prevent scratches. It's also a good idea to apply some masking tape around the mirror housing to protect your car's paint. Make sure you have your new mirror cover ready to go. The first critical step is to safely remove the mirror glass. Begin by adjusting the mirror all the way up or in, creating a gap at the bottom or outer edge. Use your plastic trim tool to gently pry behind the glass, feeling for the 2 or 4 retaining clips. Once released, carefully pull the glass away. If your mirror has heating elements, you will see 1 or 2 electrical connectors. Gently disconnect these before setting the glass aside in a safe place. Now let's tackle the old mirror cover. With the glass removed, you'll see several retaining tabs, usually 3 or 4, holding the cover in place. Use your flathead screwdriver or trim tool to carefully push each tab inward, one by one, to release its grip. Be patient and gentle to avoid breaking any of the plastic components on the main mirror housing. Once all tabs are disengaged, the old cover should come off easily. Installing your new mirror cover is the reverse of removal. Carefully align the new cover with the mirror housing, making sure all the tabs line up with their respective slots. Apply firm, even pressure until you hear satisfying clicks, indicating that all tabs are securely fastened. Reconnect any electrical wires to the mirror glass, then gently snap the glass back into its holder. Finally, test the mirror's power adjustment to ensure everything works perfectly. Great job!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.